Talc powder is white or white, fine, non-sandy powder. Greasy touch. This product is insoluble in water, dilute mineral acid, or dilute alkali hydroxide solution. If the mixer of talc ball press in the production of the clutch slip can loosen the fixed wire on the 3-claw frame for adjustment, we can, according to the output, to adjust the angle of the mixing blade on the double axis to ensure the material used by the main engine. If we need to add auxiliary materials, stick, waterproof, and add on the mixer, talcum powder ball press conveyor is working normally. We should ensure that the belt does not run off. If the belt is not correct, we can adjust the front and rear roller bearing close top wire. Talc ball press feed machine before work. First start to adjust the tightness of the belt. Control the belt does not run off, and then according to the production of the molding machine, to adjust the size of the gate so that the supply amount is not much.